Hello everyone. This is Omar making a video on the new affiliate program. Um, we just finalized it, and so now it's active and on the website. So it's in the menu section. You'll see where it says affiliate here, and then you have two pages: become an affiliate and then affiliate login. So what I'm gonna do actually is walk you through the process on how to become an affiliate. So quickly, just for the people who don't know what an affiliate is, it's basically that you promote our products, right, with your own affiliate links. And then if someone buys anything from our website through your link or through your referral, you get a commission of the price of whatever the customer bought, right? So I'm gonna go into incognito mode so I can show you how to actually do the whole registration. So you go to our website. On the right, you'll see affiliate, become an affiliate, right? So if you're not an affiliate, you're obviously gonna click to become one. So this is a pretty straightforward form. It's username, first name, last name, email, password. So look, I'll walk you through quickly. Username. Just make your own username. Don't put too much mind into it. It's just a username. You can put whatever you want, right? You can put your name. You can put uh your name plus numbers, whatever, right? So I'll put like Umar 243, something like that. Okay. First name. So first name and then last name. Email. Put in your email. I already have a couple email registered. What email do I use? I'll use CTS at creativetradingsystems.com. Password. Set a password. Make sure you remember this password because this is the password that you'll use to log in. So I'll just put my password here, here. It's like that. Payment email. So, like, let's say PayPal, right? We're most likely going to be paying out through PayPal, but we'll pay out through other things as well. But if you have a PayPal account that you want us to pay you out with, you put that payment email. I'll just put in our email that we have. Website. So this doesn't have to be like a website. It could be like a YouTube channel or a Facebook group or wherever that you are deciding to promote us. If you don't have any of that or anything, it's fine. You don't have to fill in this box here. You don't have to fill in this or you don't have to fill in the payment email either. We can handle that later. How you would promote us. So this one you do have to fill. Just explain to us how you're gonna, what's your plan? Like, are you planning through YouTube or Facebook or your own website? You don't have to go too in detail, but just you can literally just write, YouTube or whatever. So after that is there, you're gonna click register. As soon as you register, you're going to be automatically approved. Okay, we automatically approve. Um, we can reject later on, so just keep that in mind, but you will get automatically approved. In this, you have your dashboard. It's pretty straightforward dashboard. You see your visits, commissions, earnings. You'll see down here is like all-time visits, commission earnings. This is paid earnings and unpaid earnings, right? Commission rate 25%, and the cookie duration is 30 days. So it's pretty, good amount. Affiliate links. So this is where you get your links and you can generate your links. So this is your main link. It's automatically, made for your specific ID and everything. So you can just copy this link and then start um, sending it everywhere and promoting this link. Or if you want a link to a certain page on our website, for example, the one-on-one coaching, you open that one-on-one coaching page, you copy the URL up here. So copy. And then you paste that link here and you click generate. So boom, it generates that link with your affiliate ID at the end. Okay. So if anyone clicks this link and then buys something from our one-on-one page, then you get the commission. All right. Then here, commissions tab. It just shows you how many commissions you have, visits, how many visits you have through your link. All right. So how many people visited our website by clicking your affiliate link? Creatives, right now we don't have any. I'll put some in. Creatives mainly are just going to be our charts. So you don't even have to get them from here. You can go to recent trades and come here into recent trades and then use our charts to promote. Okay. Payout, right now, I mean, obviously new account, but this is, will show you how many payouts you have. Settings, you can always change your payment email or your website. All right. You also might be getting an email from us, just t explaining a few things. And if you ever have any other questions or anything about the affiliate, you can email us at myforexmagicwave@gmail.com. This could be anything. Either, you're not an affiliate, you want to become one, or you are already an affiliate but you're having issues, or you want to have a different payout method instead of PayPal, you want bank transfer or something, email us and then we'll see what we can do, okay? So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. And once you are an affiliate and next time you come on the page, you can just go into your affiliate login. So I'm already logged in, of course, but if I wasn't logged in, right, I would come affiliate login. So it's going to ask for your username and password, right? So whatever username and password you put when you registered, that's the same username and password you're going to use. You can either use your username or your email. So, that's pretty much it for this. Another thing I want to mention is Monday is Labor Day. So we're going to have a Labor Day sale. A little bit more than usual. We're going to do 60% off on everything. So make sure you keep that in mind. I'm going to probably send out an email and post a discount code in the description of this video and also in my Telegram. If you're not in my Telegram, then you should probably join it. You can join it through this link right here to see where it says get up to 50% off. Right here is the Telegram. It's important to be in here. I mean, we post like setups once in a while, and then a lot of announcements, videos, all that we post in here. So maybe be sure to join this. I'll post a discount code in here as well as the description of this video, right? Once again, if you have any questions, email us at myforexmagicwave@gmail.com.